For the past 5 years, Liam and Andrew have both worked as control room operators at Bay Logistics, helping protect the company's people, property, and valuable assets. Like many businesses, Bay Logistics relies on its control room operators to remain alert and focused throughout every shift. While both operators have delivered excellent performance over the years, distractions can slowly creep in. Whether it's sleeping, fatigue, using a cell phone, eating, becoming inattentive, or even attempts to tamper with equipment, every distraction increases the risk of a critical incident being missed. That's why CCTV security surveillance developed Sleep Tracker, an intelligent AI monitoring solution designed specifically for control room operators. Installed directly in front of any operator workstation, Sleep Tracker continuously monitors operator activity and instantly sends alerts whenever distractions, fatigue, or tampering are detected. Beyond operator monitoring, Sleep Tracker also continuously monitors system health, ensuring it remains online and fully operational with real-time automated functions, status updates, and alerts when manual intervention is required. To learn more about how Sleep Tracker can secure your business or to arrange a site visit, contact CCTV Security Surveillance today.